Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to take a look at a setup with you in Facebook, or I guess now as we'll be calling it, Meta. Today they announced the name change of Facebook, which has been in the headlines for a little while, but no one actually, they didn't say what the name of the new name would be. So now that has been announced, and it was fascinating to watch it intraday, because when that announcement was made, it really started to catch a bid. But we're now down here below the 200-day simple moving average. We have a low compression squeeze that is forming, which suggests that there might be a directional move that is getting ready to happen. And as I think about trying to find something to short, because obviously with NASDAQ at the highs, that's kind of a tough spot to look for it, but looking for names like this that have been lagging for some time, I believe makes sense. Now, the way that I would probably pursue it is with some type of a butterfly, right? Being outright directional puts here could be tricky if Facebook is going to see more strength. But as we think about good risk-reward trades and something that you could swing trade for a couple of weeks, I think going out into November and looking for a move down into 300 makes good sense. It does not mean that it will happen, but it just means this has been a place that was really weak. You saw some news that, might have driven out weak shorts, but ultimately still a pretty apathetic close, and something that I think in time takes you to 284. Obviously the interim and on the way there will come down and hit 300 if that is going to occur. And then if we do make these targets, it unfolds as I'm thinking, then 284 may be the better opportunity to buy it into the end of the year and potentially the beginning of Q1. So it'll be interesting to see that one handles the name change. I believe we'll be going through a ticker change as well. So do keep an eye out on that. But these are the prices I'm looking for, and I hope that's helpful as you add them into your trading in the next couple of months. Have a great night, and we'll see you at the next free video.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me